how to fix Epic Games login error. So first what you want to do, just simply click on Windows plus R on your keyboard. So click on the Windows key, the R key at the same time to open the run command right here. And just simply type in %app data % right there. Then click on OK. Once it's open, just go back and click on the app data right here at the top. And this will bring you to these 3 folders. Then simply click on the local and scroll down till you see Epic Games Launcher. Then click on the Epic Games Launcher right there. Click on save and make sure to delete the web cache 4430 folder right there. So just delete that first and make sure that Epic Games is also exited out of your PC. So it's going to exit here on the bottom tray. Once it's done, just simply delete the folder right there. And just refresh your PC right here. Now open up CMD. So just open up the Windows menu and search for CMD and click on Run as Administrator. And you just click on Yes if it prompts you to click on Yes or No. Just simply click on Yes. Then type in here ipconfig /flush DNS, just like so. Then click on Answer. Now once that's done, just simply exit out of this. Then I'll try to open up Epic Games. So I have mine right here. And see if it works for you. Check if it works and if it logs you in on Epic Games. For me it works, but for you, if it still doesn't work, the next thing that you can do is just exit out of Epic Games again, open Windows R again, go to App Data again, go back here, go to Local, and delete these 2 folders right here, Epic Games and Epic Games Launcher. So delete those 2 folders. Now once that's done, just empty out your recycle bin right here. So I have my recycle bin right here at the top. Right click on it and click on Empty Recycle Bin. Just simply empty all of it. Now once it's done, open up Control Panel. Then click on Uninstall a Program right here on Programs. Uninstall a program. Then just find Epic Games Launcher right here. And what you want to do now is simply right click on it and click on the Repair. And just click on OK. So if this error pops up, make sure that you have the Epic Games installer first. So just go to the Epic Games browser and download the installer. So I have now downloaded the installer, and now just simply do the process again. Right click on it and click on Repair. Click on OK and browse. So I'm going to go to Downloads and click on this right here. Click on Open. Then click on OK. So just make sure it has the same name that the one that is. So just change the name right here to Epic Games Installer right here. So that is the one that was being required right here. Then just simply click on Repair. Now as you can see, it is not working, and wait for it to load right there. Wait till Windows configures Epic Games Launcher. Now once that's done, just open up Epic Games Launcher again. Just gonna exit out of this and click on Epic Games Launcher. Now as you can see, it will start an update, and just wait for it to verify the update. Now once it's done, it will just basically go or open up to the login page, and now you can now try to log in and check if it worked for you. But if it didn't work for you, what I can advise you is check the browser or the Epic Games service status. So just open up your browser, then just search for Epic Games service status, or just like that, and this will pop up. So just click on the first link and check right here if everything is operational. So it is operational right here. So there's only one, I think. It says wherever issue affecting the US player report service. So that's just like that. But all of the games are okay. So that means Epic Games is running and it is okay. Now, if that's the case where Epic Games is not a problem, what you can do now is just simply reinstall Epic Games. And that's how I basically fix Epic Games login error.